Hello guys, welcome to another video on WP Blogger YouTube channel. On this channel, we teach WordPress beginners how to use WordPress easily without any coding or technicalities. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the justify button in the post editor. Let me show you what I mean. In the current post editor, we have align left, we have align center, then we have align right, but we don't have justify here. Let me refresh this page. The justify option has been disabled and we are going to bring it back. So this is what we are going to learn in today's video. Before we get started into the video, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and enable the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I release one of my tutorial videos. Like and share this video with your friends. Comment all your feedback, your suggestions, and your questions below. And once again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Now, if you are looking for the best WordPress hosting platform, I highly recommend you check out Bluehost. This is what we use and this is what we recommend. Bluehost is tried and tested. I am a happy customer and that is why I highly recommend you use Bluehost for your WordPress online business. Click on the link below this video. It will take you to the home page of Bluehost. Just click on Get Started here. You will see the duration they have and the packages they have. Select one if you are looking for the best WordPress hosting platform on the internet. Now, let's get started into today's video. We are going to learn how to bring back the justify button here. We have to install a plugin, so I will come to the plugin section of the WordPress admin dashboard here, hover on it and click on add new. And I'll search for justify. I'll search for justify here. And this is the plugin we are going to install. So I'll click on install now here. So once I have it installed, I'll click on activate. Our plugin has now been activated. So let's go into the post editor, refresh and find out if we have our justify button here. And yes, now we have justify here as you can see. So let's create a post and add and use this justify button on it. Let me select this dummy text here. It's just a dummy text. So I'll name it justify post. And I'll paste our dummy text here. Select all. Now let's play with the alignments. So align left is here, which is already selected. We can also align center. We can align right, and then we can justify. I hope you've seen it. We can go ahead, select our category and publish our post. So this is how easy it is to add the justify button to the post editor like I've demonstrated to you. Use this step-by-step guide and add the justify back to your post editor. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, smash the like button. Give me the thumbs up. It means a whole lot to me. Like and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit on the subscribe button and enable the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I release one of my awesome videos. If you have any other questions, feedback, or suggestions, leave them in the comment box below. Before I take leave of you, I want to remind you that I have prepared some WordPress resources for beginners. Check the description box below this video. Check it below this video. You will see all the resources I have prepared. Go through the resources. They are meant to help you move from a beginner in WordPress to an expert in WordPress blogging. They are meant to help you in your online business using WordPress. Until I come your way with another awesome video, it's bye-bye from WP Blogger.